Alright, hey guys. Happy Sunday. I'm just gonna. Yeah, good boy. What? We are going out today. We're going to an estate sale. And of course, it's not working again. So let me just take care of this. If you don't know what an estate sale is, it's basically because I didn't know what an estate sale before I came here. Anyways, so an estate is a property which the owner is already dead or passed away. So the family just want to get rid of the property. So and everything that's inside of the property. So that includes furnitures, books, kitchenwares, whatever, everything you can find in there. And there are actually estate companies that take care of that. So that's her business. So we're gonna go to one of the estate sales to get inventory for our eBay stores and Amazon. So I thought of vlogging it, take you guys with us. Whoa, what's the boat doing in there? Guys, I really wanted to like vlog a little bit more, like even with Chris around, because I feel like I'm kind of shy. Like I'm kind of not comfortable doing it, like talking in front of a camera with him around, because I don't know, it's kind of weird sometimes. I mean, I wasn't always like this. I started when I first got here. I was vlogging every single day, and I have a separate like life vlog channel for that, wherein I vlogged maybe like the first month of me being here in the US. So that was kind of cool, and I was kind of getting into the groove of it.
Don't you know they're having Satopia this month?
Oh, they have?
$2 for 16 ounce, $3 for 24 ounce, any drink.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe later. Okay, and guys, this is not related to eBay or estate sales or Amazon, but I wanted to get like a camera lens, which is like one of the top 5 must-haves for a Canon DSLR, which I have a Canon, and I wanted to get it. It's like the Nifty 50, they call it. I'm gonna put here what exactly that is, like the technical name of it, but that's like the layman's name, so to speak, of that lens. And I heard it's quite good, but since I'm mostly doing like, not mostly, because I also do photography for eBay. I'm not sure how it goes when you're doing it like, or when you're using it with a video. So that's something that I'm kind of trying to figure out. Actually, I just thought of it, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. And but I'm really trying to get that, not trying to get that, but like I'm really looking into getting that one. Oh, we are here, guys. That's the house. I don't even know if you can see, but we're coming in there.
You tell me what you like for all this. 50? I'm still gonna start.
Let me see. These are cute. Oh. Oh, cast iron. I'm scared right now. Maybe not. Okay, let's go. We're almost done. And then we go to the closet. We might find vintage clothing. They usually sell pretty good. If you find London fog, it usually sells well for us. So coats, North Star. They are half off, by the way, today. So this might be a Puma vintage one. Oops. Here. Okay, let's look them up. We are done with the estate sale. Are we here? No? Oh. And we're just gonna go to...
Better flip it.
Yeah. Buffalo Wild Wings, guys. And we've got a couple of items more. And we only... How much did we pay? 95 bucks for everything. But we're for sure we're gonna get more once we sell those items. So that's good. Good deal. There's 50% off because it's their last day of sale. Estate sale today. So we always like to go on their half day off or half off days because obviously. This is my favorite drink whenever I'm here. Buffalo Wild Wings limeade. Yeah.
Just put this on the